If you're a true car guy, it's only fair that you look at your car while you look at your car while you're driving your car. Thank you. How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can possibly get rid of a Christmas tree on your 2018 Honda Civic / a 10th gen Honda Civic. As you can see, this car has multiple lights on it, including would show a check engine light usually. But basically, I'm just going to show you a little quick tip on how you can prevent that. And as you can see right there, the power steering is apparently gone, but it steers quite nice actually. So right here is just a bottle of MAP sensor cleaner. That's a nice Golf. MAP sensor cleaner that you can just buy for like $10 at Crappy Tire or Walmart. All you really want is to take the MAP sensor off, which you can use a Phillips screwdriver for, and you just undo it nice and easily. And as you can see, you should be able to remove two little screws that look like these. So we're gonna put these aside gently right here so they won't go anywhere. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug the MAP sensor from right here. So basically it should just come off like that, and carefully pull this out. Then what you'll want to do is you want to take some of this and you want to just give it a good spray. After you've given it a spray, just let it sit for a little bit, and then you should be able to just put it back in. Now, in case you don't know which way you should put your sensor in, there's this nice little arrow on here that indicates where the air goes. So it'll go in here and through the engine. So you'll gently, carefully want to place it back in just like that. Then you'll pretty much take your screws, get them in just like that. Then you want to make sure that your sensor is plugged back in. Another thing I've also learned is that this car was particularly missing a transmission fuse, which is seen right here, which was a 15 amps. So we slapped one on there. So let's go ahead and start it up and see what it'll do, because this car would not even go into sport mode. So we're gonna go ahead. How about that? No check engine light. The only thing is that obviously the door is open and seatbelt. The trunk also has a sensor issue, but look at that. It revs just fine, and she also just got the AC fixed on it and everything. Sounds absolutely beautiful. So what we're gonna do is we can put this back on since we no longer need it. So it just clips right back in. And then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give it a nice little wash. So when you really think about it, I just saved my friend $300 by just putting in a fuse. Like changing a fuse and then like cleaning the sensor. Wow. How much do you guys want to bet if there was a ramp like right at the end, I can make it across that lake? Like, I would just jump right at the end and then start on Fuller. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you guys is how to reset the oil life and everything. Now, basically, you want to press this little I button here, which will bring up your menu right here. Now, basically what you want to do, what you want to do is you go to vehicle, you go to maintenance info, and then select reset items will be at the bottom of the screen right there. Then you'll press reset, all reset items, and then you'll press reset, and it's basically all gone for you. So obviously that eye is still there because there's something wrong with the trunk light. And that is pretty much how you fix a Christmas tree for free.
Looks like a Christmas tree.
Alrighty, so it's like 12 at night, and I probably should have recorded an outro earlier, but I forgot. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I will definitely keep you guys posted on future projects and stuff. Basically just how you can save money getting rid of your Christmas tree dash on your Civic. Also an easy way to get back your sport mode and your hill assist, because those won't work when you have a whole bunch of those lights on your dashboard. So thanks again, take care.